Hello, my name is Latricia Maddox, and here is my Unit 3 screencast assignment about the famous paintings and painting techniques we learned about in Unit 3. Here's a summary of Unit 3. Unit 3 introduced us to different forms of art and possible meanings. It also explained terms like complementary colors, value, and hue in this important chapter. We were taken through a brief tour of the most famous paintings ever, and in this unit, my favorite are as follows. The Mona Lisa by Leonardo da Vinci. The Mona Lisa is an absolute classic. This painting is one of the most expensive, most sung about paintings as of today. This painting is said to be the wife of Francisco del Giancato. Her name is said to be Lisa Giardini. Mona Lisa is one of my favorites because of its simplicity and beauty. It's easy to understand but hard to comprehend. Lisa is in the picture sits as if she is an elegant older woman with no worries. Abstract paintings are another one of my favorites. Being that abstract paintings are really hard to understand if the subject matter is unknown, it is very interesting to me. This kind of painting makes you really think. An example of this kind of painting is a painting by Maria Lobo called Loops. This painting is a work of art because it is very bold yet simple. It cannot be overlooked in a room. It is the center of attention. Here's an example of her painting. I believe it's called Loops because of the loops of the painting. And the frame on this painting really complements it. It's not overdone. And I really love how it's like on a white canvas in the background. It's white also. So what you see separating the painting is the frame, but other than the frame you see like the bold dark lines intersecting each other. I don't know, this painting is really interesting to me. Oil paintings is another favorite. Oil paintings is also a favorite of mine, like I just said, because of how colorful and the way the painting pops out at you. This painting can be put on thin layers and dry slowly, which is a plus for a more flexible finish. Example of famous oil paintings is Yellow Fog 2 by Leonardo Afromov. This painting is an oil painting on canvas. This artwork has texture that you can feel, and it's an actual remake of one of his first paintings, Yellow Fog 1. Now look at this painting. Like, who would not love this? The way the sky lights up because of the moon. No, because of the sun. The fog is covering like what's in front of you. Like, this is just a beautiful sight to see, honestly. I love anything bold and beautiful, and oil paintings and abstract paintings are my favorite. Leonardo da Vinci really outdid himself with the Mona Lisa, and it shows because of how famous it still is to this day. Thank you.